Most welcome to my YouTube channel Upcoming with MG. In this video today we'll discuss 2020 upcoming Chinese drama Stray Birds. Its cast with the ideologies we will discuss in this video. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Before starting please make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, like, comment and share my video with your friend. Gao Ji-ting acting as a Wu Yui. He was born on June 1st, 1995 and currently he is 25 years old. Lulu Shu acting as a Su Xiaoman. She was born on December 28, 1994 and currently she is 25 years old. Anson Chiao acting as a Lin Xiaoting. He was born on February 4, 1997 and currently he is 23 years old. Yu Chen acting as a Chai Ching. She was born on June 1st, 1995 and currently she is 25 years old. Wen Sheng acting as a Chang Jiang. He was born on November 13, 1994 and currently he is 26 years old. Xiao Haoran acting as Ran Xiangqiu. His date of birth is September 7, 1985 and currently he is 35 years old. That's all of today. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, click the subscribe button and hit the